I am so excited because this is my first video, you guys. I am a personal wardrobe stylist by trade, and I have just wanted to share styling tips and tricks with everyone. And I figured the best way to do that is to hop on video and to just start sharing them. They make all the difference. So I'm Casey Matheny, and today I am here sharing with you 5 ways that you are ruining your outfit. Now, these are 5 simple things. Like, they're so little that you may not even think about them, but they're ruining your outfit. Number 1. All right, I've got this like super cute sweater. It's just adorable. It's a cardigan. I love to layer it over anything, but it has these. How many times have you like tucked your friends' little strings back into their clothes? So many times. Cut them out. A tip within a tip, never even hang your sweaters or else it will like misshapen them. We should always be folding them. So there is really no need to have those strings on your blouses or your sweaters because who even uses them? Okay, cut them out. Rule number 2. Now, this one probably takes the most amount of effort, but keep in mind, it is still not much effort. Steam your clothes, people. There is nothing worse than looking like a wrinkly mess when it's just so easy to steam. Now, you can also iron, obviously. I am partial to steaming just because it's always plugged in and it is so fast. How fast? I'll show you, because we're gonna count. Like, if it's already plugged in, this is so easy. We're just gonna count and see how long this takes to start steaming, and then we're ready to go. While we wait, another little trick within that. If you're straightening your hair one day with your straightener on, right? That's what you straighten your hair with. You have a double-sided iron in your hands. Use it. If you see your collar is a little wrinkled or the front of your shirt, like, it's so easy to take that iron, straightener, acting as an iron, and to iron your clothes. Oh, we're going. That was so fast, so fast. Okay, another third little tip within that, if you're going to be showering that day, which is about 50-50 for me, hang your clothes up while you're showering. And that is like a built-in big ol' steamer for those clothes. My husband does that every morning with his suits, and it's just a very easy, quick, built-in way to get those wrinkles out. Third way that you are ruining your outfit is by having them pill up. You know the pills I'm talking about? Pill is P-I-L-L. It is those little balls of fabric that build up wherever there is friction in your clothes. A lot of the times it's where the arms rub, right? So we see that a lot in our sweaters. On leggings, it's between the legs because we don't all have a beautiful thigh gap. And there is a very easy tip to eliminate that. And that is this shaver. It's like a clothing shaver or defuzzer or whatever you want to call it. Mine is Conair. I am obsessed with this. Like, obsessed with it. And it is so simple. You take it. You make sure that this is clean. This is the cartridge. Mine is not, but that's okay. If I weren't on camera, I would have cleaned it. You can adjust how close you want it to the fabric. I always want it nice and tight. And then you just go like this. And it cuts away all of those extra pills and extra fabric that is really making your clothes look so much older and more worn. You can completely revitalize jackets and sweaters and pants and leggings just by this defuzzer. It is cheap. I have the battery operated one. I know that they also have some that plug in. I like the battery because I don't want to be tied down to an outlet. The 4th way that you are ruining your outfit is by having cat fur, or gosh, I don't have any pets, but I'm always covered in fur or something. So it is getting all of that lint off of you. Like a lint roller. I like to keep one in my closet and in my car because I honestly don't even use my closet one that much, although it's nice to have. It's always in my car when I'm running somewhere and I look down at my pants and I go, oh, this is so embarrassing. But I can roll it out and I'm ready to go. Yep. Just roll it out. Roll it out. The last thing you're doing to ruin your outfit is, okay, I'm sure we have all bought a coat or a blazer or a dress or a skirt that on the back side of it has this little X stitch at the bottom, keeping the vent closed. A long time ago, when I was living in San Francisco, I bought this. I was starving, and I was working as a photographer. I have no photography training. I digress. I was working, and I got this super cool coat. It was so cool, and it was like so cute. And I saw that it had this X stitch in the back, and I thought it was a detail to the coat. I thought the coat came with it, and I kid you not, I was proud of my X stitch in the back of it. I one day was waiting in line somewhere and had someone tap me on the shoulder and go, just so you know, like, you're supposed to cut that stitch out. It has been probably 15 years since that, and I remember it so vividly because I was so embarrassed. So if you have that stitch in any of those said items, cut it out. It's not supposed to be there, folks. And I hope you didn't learn the hard way like I did. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have so many more coming, and I'm excited to share all of my styling tips and tricks of the trade with you. If you want to subscribe or like or share, just do it right down here.